How to play Roblox on Xbox without controller. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Here's how you can play Roblox on your Xbox without a controller. So if you don't have an Xbox controller, there are two easy ways to control your Xbox and play Roblox. So first of all, you need to use the Xbox Remote Control app. So you need to download the Xbox Remote Control app on your smartphone from the App Store, iPhone, or Play Store if you're using Android. Then you need to connect to your Xbox and the app will show you a virtual Xbox controller on your phone screen. You can use this to navigate the Xbox interface and control Roblox, including pressing X, Y, A, and moving around. Another thing you can do is you can connect a mouse and a keyboard. Connect a compatible mouse and keyboard to your Xbox, and if the mouse and keyboard are compatible with both the Xbox and the specific Roblox game you want to play, you can start playing immediately. Hopefully, this video helps you to play Roblox on your Xbox even without a controller. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.